There are a lot of good multicolor 3D printers out there, but the best, most affordable ones are the Bambulab A1 and the Anycubic Kobra 3. Now they're both good 3D printers, but only one of them can be the best. So let's start comparing. We're going to start with the hardware. So this is where the Kobra 3 wins. It has an enclosed spool holder with a dryer built inside, but don't let that fool you. Bambulab has more experience with 3D printers, and the automatic leveling system is 10 times better than the one on the Kobra 3. And you could just buy a filament dryer separately if you still want that feature. Now we're going to talk about the software, and this is where Bambulab absolutely crushes Anycubic. So just to start off, Anycubic has a very unpolished software, Anycubic Slicer, and to be honest, it's not that good. You guys can go check it out yourself, but I think it is not good at all. Now on the other hand, Bambulab has an amazing software. It's very polished and it's beginner friendly, but it also tailors to experts as well with multiple options that it has. You can also find STLs that are ready to print on the Bambulab website, and it's amazing because you don't have to do anything. You don't have to mess with any settings. You can just grab the file and print. Since Anycubic doesn't have the experience for multicolor 3D printers and software, there could be a chance that they come back up. They just need the feedback and they need to work a little harder on their software. So just purely based on the facts, you can conclude that the Bambulab A1 is way better than the Anycubic Kobra 3. If you guys want to see more videos about 3D printing and CNC machining, make sure to subscribe because I will upload videos every now and then when I have a chance. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. This is the end of the video. Goodbye.